For more such delicious recipes, subscribe to Simply Jain and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Why go out when you can make wok at home? So let's start making our wok noodles. Ingredients required for wok noodles are noodles, all 3 bell peppers, sesame oil, vinegar, soya sauce, sweet corn, French beans, baby corn, red cabbage, pepper, peanuts, sugar, sesame seeds, salt, green chilies and celery. First, take 2 tablespoons sesame oil. This is going to give a nice flavor to our wok. If you all don't have this, you all can use olive oil, but I would prefer if you all use sesame oil. Once the oil is heated, we are going to add 1 tablespoon each bell pepper, 2.5 tablespoons red cabbage, 2.5 tablespoon cabbage, and 3 baby corn. Now just saute it. Then we will add 2 tablespoons French beans. I had boiled them, and 2 tablespoons boiled sweet corn. Now 1 tablespoon powdered peanuts, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 tablespoon toasted sesame seeds, half tablespoon celery which I have cut into small pieces, half tablespoon green chilies, 1 tablespoon powdered sugar and salt to taste. Now we will add boiled noodles. That is going to be 1 cup, 1 tablespoon vinegar and 1 tablespoon soya sauce. If it's not dark enough, we will add more soya sauce later on. Give it a light toss. Instead of noodles, you all can even make the same thing with rice. And you all can add broccoli, zucchini, paneer if you all want more veggies and more items in it. And our wok noodles is ready. Our wok noodles are ready. I hope you all like this recipe. For more such variations, check out the recipe in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.